Today we're going to get the initial impressions by the Lingdu Dash Cam. It's a 5K dash cam that Lingdu does provide in their lineup of dash cams. This one is the forward-facing only dash cam, but what I like about this one is the sleek design of the dash cam itself. So it comes nicely packaged in this box, and look at that. It's very sleek and minimalistic for a dash cam. It will tuck nicely in the windshield itself. And then it comes with the provided cables needed to power. So you can have the adapter here for the cigarette lighter. And then it looks like a long enough cable to have this out of your view, so you can kind of tuck it along the trim. And it also comes with some of these extra stickies and a tool to actually tuck in the cable in the trim. In addition to that, there is an extra sticky that is stuck to this piece of plastic here. So in case you need an extra sticky, you can put it on that. And lastly, it comes with a user manual, so we can take a look at that. And it comes with 2 electrostatic films. So with the electrostatic film, it wants you to put it on the windscreen itself. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. I only have 2 hands here, so this will be off camera. All right, so with the film on, you can see that I placed the dash cam right on the dotted lines for where the square is. I'm not too sure if I actually like the film up there. I might take it down, but this is where it's at right now. Something that I want to make note of is when you do put the cable in, you want to make sure that you put it the right way. This isn't necessarily the right way. There's a more snug way to put it on. So you can see a lot of the silver.
Wi-Fi is on.
So what you do is just switch it, and then there you go. You'll hear the snap and you'll be good to go. So I'm just going to put the cable, or hide the cable, behind the liner here and then down the pillar. So when you are putting the cable into the trim, what you want to do is use this curved end to pull it out a little bit to gain some space. And then you can use this other end to push it in, or just simply use your thumb. And then you just want to run it down the weather stripping all the way down, and then you continue to hide it under the dash. So I have most of the cable hidden. I'm gonna need to do some workarounds down here, but ultimately when I do have a more complete kit, I will have it hardwired to the fuse box. But for now, I'm just going to use this adapter to keep it powered when the car is on. This is what it looks like when it's installed. Very minimal. You can see the electromagnetic film, which I'm not a big fan of, so I might take that down and replace it. But that's what it's currently looking like. So we're going to cut to the video of the dash cam itself. It's currently in a 2K resolution, as you can see in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. And what I like about this video, it's very crisp compared to other dash cams on the market. I want to say it's on par with some of the higher-end dash cams. But another feature that I do like is at the bottom of the screen, you can see the date, the time, your speed, and where you're located at the time of the video. So that's always very helpful when you need to share the dash cam footage of a road rage incident or, God forbid, a crash. So what I'd like to do next is share how to download the app, what it looks like in the app, and the different features that Lingdu does provide. So what you're going to do is open up your app store and then click on search and type in Lingdu, Lingdu, and find the Lingdu app that looks like this. And once you have it downloaded, you can go ahead and open it. And it's going to take you through the setup process. So make sure your car is on and allow your phone to use the Bluetooth. And what you'll have to do is go through and join the Wi-Fi on the Lingdu to connect to the dash cam. But for the sake of time in this video, I suggest you following the instructions on the user manual itself. That way you can go through and connect it on your own time when you're setting up the dash cam. But once you do join the Wi-Fi, this is what it's going to look like in the app, and you go ahead and press connect and join the Wi-Fi, and this is what it will look like. So you will click on the video and it will load up the videos that you currently have. It is separated by events, videos, and pictures. And as you can see here, I have some downloaded which are marked with the red downloaded flag, and you can easily connect to them. Click on it and it will show the video of that time. You can set it up where it's a 1 minute loop or 3 minute loops in the settings itself. And this is the home screen where you can access the settings and other features provided by Lingdu. So that's it from me on the Lingdu LD06 5K dash cam. I do think it's a great dash cam at the $140 price point. And what I would say is look out for a video in about 2 to 3 months where I'm going to come back and re-review the Lingdu dash cam as a long-term review to see how I like it, any tips and tricks that I've learned over time. But that's it for me for now. I want to appreciate everyone for watching, and thank you, Lingdu, for providing this dash cam for my review. I hope you have a great day and take care.